Stack that bitch up, mate.
So basically, y'all see me doing it like this, okay? See? And clearly my parts ain't straight, but it's okay. Okay. I think that was what I needed right here. Okay, that's cool. So what colors is around this? I'm assuming they are black. Yeah, so I'm gonna put like a color one right here. Alrighty, and I think I want to use like a I think I'll do this one, this color. I'm gonna do this color. And what I do, y'all, is, so let me start over real quick. So basically what I did last night was I braided all my hair up, and today I started doing the locks so it wouldn't take me all fucking day. But and even it's taking me all day. But anyway, I get this crochet thingy, put it in my hair, boom, close it, and I pull it back through, open it, put that down, put this open, like open up a little bit more, push my braid through, pull it down to where it's like that. Like period. Now what I do after that is I get this is pre-stretched water bohemian curl, and I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna get like 2 strands of it. Depending on how big my braid is, like depending on the size of my braid is depending on how much like strand I'm gonna use. Cause if it's like small braid, I'm gonna use 1 strand. Cause all I just use this for is to cover my hair. Am I tripping or what? Alright. And what I do right here is I make this messy. And I do it to both sides of my head. I mean, I do it to both sides of the curl. And I kind of make sure I get up here too. So I get this piece right here, and I hold it like this so it's easier to put on the hook. Do it just like that. Get this, and I get this crochet thing again, and I push it through, put the hair right there, close the hook, pull it through, put it down, put a curl in, put a curl through on this side of my head. Alright, boom, so it's like that. Period. Alright, so what I do now is I grab this piece and I wrap this part around. Like I'm gonna hold all this together in one like that. Hold it, and I'm gonna wrap the hair around. Move all this hair, freaking hair off my head. I'm gonna wrap this hair around 3 times. 1, or if that was 2. I'm gonna just do 4 just to be safe. No, I'm not, because this should already feel tight. So I look like that, and now I just like kind of go down. Like that. And I'm gonna go all the way down until my hair itself is covered. And I'm gonna kind of like loosen it, because I don't want it to be too skinny. Period. And see to where now my hair is covered. I'm gonna keep twisting it, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the rest of this, and I'm gonna also like kind of curl it around, curl it down a bit, and I'm gonna go back up because that's just what I do. That's just what I do. Now you can do it your way, but this is how I do it. Where it's like Now, I don't know if I'm missing any braids. Oh, braid right here. Is there more? Okay, let's do that braid. I'm gonna show y'all a few more times, and I'm gonna do this one now, y'all. And I'm gonna let y'all what you call it? I'm gonna just let y'all watch me. I might do this one in a bit. And I'm also, because I use on this one. I'm gonna use a color right here too. Cause I want the black more so at the top. Period. Y'all peep the tattoo? That's my granny. Period. Alrighty. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, going, going. My feet hurts. My feet hurts. My feet hurt. It hurts. It hurts. Yeah, I don't even know how big these cards are, but it's okay. Now the black ones, I love the black ones because the black ones, on God, I'm not gonna use like 2 or 3 strands. And plus, I don't have that much curly pieces to keep going through, so it's like, girl, my head heavy as fuck. Oh, my feet hurt. Okay. Yeah, and then I've been like, oh, I might need to put, I might not. 1, 2, 3. Let me do 4 just in case on this one. Now there's something to just like, Yeah, it's so crazy how I started this hairstyle because I was cleaning out like so basically y'all, I got like 2 closets in my room. I have my closet like where I put all my clothes at, and in my other closet I call it like my junk closet, like where I'll throw like my blankets and stuff at, like hair, whatever. And when I was cleaning it out yesterday, I found 3 bags of like this hair. I found 3 bags of this hair, y'all. So I'm like, why not fucking do my hair like this? But I've been wanting like a new style anyway. And I've been wanting to do a wig, but I'm like, a wig don't last long enough for me. Like I want to, even when I do a wig, I get over the wig within like that week. Then I'm ready to do a different hairstyle. With this hairstyle, I'll at least have to keep it in my head, like you know. So it's like, why not do it? I was gonna do pink and black. Let me know if y'all want to see me do pink and black, cause I also want to try doing pink and black, but like having like low key try to shape out a heart in my head. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see that. Huh?
Here. Is this in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just give it to Katie. Whatever it is. Mom, what time is they coming? Mom, what time are they coming? Okay, y'all, so this is my finished look. I think I'll probably have my girlfriend like hold the camera. Hold the camera while I turn around or something. Or maybe I could just set it up. This is how it looks from the back. And y'all know me. Y'all know I don't do no kind of braiding style stuff. I was able to do this, so okay, fucking y'all. What the fuck do we say? Struggle with me, because I struggle with y'all. Because I struggled with y'all, period. So, yes, if I was able to do this, y'all. If I was able to do this, y'all, so the fuck can y'all. So, get to it. And again, thank y'all for watching. Let's get my shit to 5K, because fucking period. Fucking period. And yeah.
Who your shit is at? Hey, Cherish, Teddy boy, how to treat y'all.